Listen, I don't know if you could see it, but there's a bird right there. He's there every morning, and he talks to another bird. Sometimes the bird goes up there. You hear it? I got 13 trees around me that protect me. I didn't plant these 13 trees. They were here when I got here. This is who I bought on my Sungaze today. This is Mama. She weighs about 6 pounds. And there's black tourmaline, blue kyanite, blue calcite, bamboo coral, amethyst, peridot, aventurine, pyrite, copper, turquoise, carnelian, azurite, sodalite, brass, steel, iron, copper, I already said copper, and of course, crystal quartz. I wasn't even showing y'all, huh? Back to the birds. You hear them? There's a new moon coming. I think it's going to be fully out on Wednesday. Look it up, y'all. It's coming. And this day is really about focusing on keeping a high vibration, being in bliss, in peace, enjoying the moment right now, every single time. 13 love. Adios. Namaste.